Welcome to Amchem products. Today we are going to learn in this video demonstration how we do a typical application of our product Purethane on a concrete surface.
Let's see some pictures to understand the complications when dealing with a concrete surface. The following pictures are from the STP in Pilakwa before it was coated with Purethane. As you can see in the first image, there are a lot of cracks in the inner wall of the clarifier. Such cracks can lead to the water seeping into the structure and causing excessive corrosion, ultimately damaging the cement and the clarifier. Here, in the second image, you can see that there are a lot of cracks on the critical load-bearing block of the beam. Once corrosion sets into this, it can cause severe damage to the overall structural integrity of the clarifier. Here, in the third image, there are clear evidences of the water making its way through the structure and start the process of corrosion, overall depleting the life of the structure. This video shows it all. You can clearly see that the water has managed to seep in from the upper compartment of the clarifier. Overall, you can see that the structure is not completely sound. There are a lot of gap holes and cracks through which the water can enter the concrete and reach the rebar. Since sewage water contains hydrogen sulfide, which leads to the production of sulfuric acid, it can cause severe corrosion within the structure that can ultimately eat up the concrete. After applying the Purethane coating, the concrete structure gets impervious to any such acid attack, therefore overall increasing the life of the structure and performance.
The first process that we use is grinding. We do that in order to get rid of any residual slurry or latents that is on the structure. The second process that we go through is blasting.
The blasting process, using steel grit or sand in this case, is done in order to get rid of any further imperfections on the surface of the concrete. Blasting helps us achieve the desired surface roughness for the next critical step of priming. Since blasting on concrete can expose a lot of gap holes and pores, we ensure that we cover them all with our own putty before priming.
After that is the process of priming. As you can see, this surface has been ready, it's primed, and now it's the final step of coating, which we'll do with the skilled staff that we have and show you the delivery.
We deliver 100% solids, VOC-free Purethane coating using only the best Greco LS spray components. Amchem meets and exceeds all global standards such as AWA-C 222 and many more for application in concrete and steel surfaces. Purethane can be applied up to any thickness desired. As a standard for concrete surfaces such as this one, 3000 microns should ensure more than 50 years of high performance life.